Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm going to tell you about the NORMANN AMW-940 microwave oven. The NORMANN microwave oven is designed for cooking, heating, and defrosting food. This model is equipped with a convenient LCD touch panel with a clock. The microwave oven has a defrost function by weight and by time. There are 8 automatic program modes available: potatoes, pasta, pizza, popcorn, vegetables, drinks, meat, fish. The large turntable made of tempered glass is convenient to use. The NORMANN microwave oven is the perfect choice for everyday use in preparing a variety of dishes,